the viewers. If you want to watch, you have to like and subscribe. With your racing, we're gonna play Cookie Monster later. We're gonna go some secret. Say what you're doing. I'm playing Emerald. Show what you're doing.
Yeah, happy when we are happy.
So my name is Alexi Janity. But then we're gonna I'm not sure Jaden did along we're gonna play Toka. We're gonna play Elmo! Or Toka-Boca. We're gonna play Toka-Boca. We're gonna use a tablet or a phone. But we don't have a phone. But so, we're gonna use a tablet and we will do something in my phone. Mama's phone! Stop shouting, please. I want to use the toilet. Okay. You know they can hear you. You know this can hear you. Let me introduce my little girl. Say hello. 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 Okay, here. Hello. It's our little girl. I hope you guys have a nice night and a nice day. We're gonna play Toka. We're gonna make our characters. Yep, we have Toka-Boca and we love spending time with you guys. But it's already loading. We already downloaded. We're gonna play with its dad. Yeah, we have a new family house that we never had. We got a family house. I know some of you have. We have a new update. I know some of you has old house, but some of you doesn't. No. Do not doubt us. So. Because we have a new update. Yeah. We're the oldest of Toka-Boca. You're lying. I'm just joking, man. I'll get something. Ryan is using the laptop. He's watching Brain Rats and some shorts. I hope that you have a nice day. If my friends or my moms or my aunties watch this, can you please like this video? We all love you and do not. We're gonna play Avatar. Actually, it's Toka-Boca. Avatar. Avatar. Let's join. Okay, see you tomorrow. We don't have school tomorrow because there's gonna be rain, even though it's my test day. I love test. I love teaching. Let's make another video. We're gonna play Avatar in the next Toka-Boca in the next video. I'll get good idea. So see you tomorrow and have a nice night. Bye. Let's make it. Bye.